We're going to get started by creating our project through Spring Starter project. We're going to name Service Registry and set some values for group, artifact, and description, as well as for package. Then we're going to click on next. We're setting Maven as our build tool. Then for the dependencies, we're going to set EurekaServer, Spring Web, and devtools. Then we're going to click on finish, next, and finish. That's gonna create a project for us. Now once the project is ready, we can go ahead and explore the project folder structure. So inside source main Java, we have our main class, Service Registry application.java, that is annotated with the Spring Boot application annotation. And so let's go to application.properties, replace with application.yml. That's where we'll be configuring the port number and all the configuration. So on the main class, we're gonna add enable EurekaServer annotation. So that's basically the only one annotation we're gonna use. Then in application.yml file, what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up the port. So port number is set to 8761. Then we're gonna do a quick Maven update and we will run the project. Let's run the project and see if we can access this on the browser. So Tomcat is started on 8761. Let's say localhost /8761, and this gives us the Eureka Dashboard. Now we can see one instance is being currently registered here. So basically it is self-registering and we don't want it to self-register. So we will be fixing this now. Okay, so let's go back to the code, and on the application.yml, what we're going to do is we will say eureka.client.register-with-eureka will be set to false. So what this is going to do is this is going to stop this application to be self-registered. Now we will do a quick Maven update again and run the project as a Spring Boot application. Now if we do that, we should be able to see that there are no more instances being registered on the Eureka Dashboard. So let's see if the server, Tomcat server, is up, and it is up on port 8761. So we're going to go to the browser and refresh our page. So as of now, we can see that there is one instance currently registered, but now once refreshed, there is no instances registered. So that is pretty much it. And so what we basically did is we started with creating our project through Spring Starter project, and then we added the dependencies like EurekaServer, Web Starter, and devtools. Then we configure enable EurekaServer annotation in the Spring Boot starter class. Then configure the server port and Eureka client register with Eureka set to false. And once the application started, we were able to access the Eureka dashboard on the port 8761. And one quick note on this one is, so if Service Registry project port is set to 8761, then the Eureka clients can discover Service Registry and they will register automatically with the Service Registry. If that is not the case, then we will have to register clients with Service Registry manually, which we will take a look at in our other videos.